Starting a business in 2024 with no money, is that possible? It is actually possible. Now, you can actually make money with no money, and I'm going to explain this model with you. I actually practiced this way back in 2020 when it was lockdown. My e-commerce business was shut down, my importation business was shut down, and I had to meet up with investor payout. Guess what? Within 3 weeks, I was able to generate over 500,000 naira from the comfort of a single room. And this is because I had the skill set that is necessary for me to make money even without any capital, without money from the comfort of my own. So if you cannot make money from the comfort of your own, that means there are some things that you don't know, that you need to know, that would really help you to do what, that would really help you to make money. There are several skills that you need to understand. You need to understand, I will start from the list which I actually put down here. You need to understand consultation. Making money can come through consulting, and this can come through what you know. Do you believe that you have something that can help you make money? Everybody has it. Like for me, one of the things that can help me make money is through consulting on business and investment talks. You have an experience that can convert to money. All you just need to do is, how can you turn it into a business model? How do I mean? Now, you have an experience. It could be in the area of finance, just like I do. It could be in the area of marriage. It could be in the area of beauty. It could be in the area of health. It could be in the area of photography. It could be in the area of videography. Now, there are people who don't know what you need to know, what you know, and they are willing to learn what you know. All you just need to do is to start consulting. And the first thing you need to do is to start throwing out content, whether on your Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, on your area of expertise. By the time you start pushing out content online, people who need your service will begin to locate you, and then you can start consulting for them. A number of people reach out to me from YouTube and say, Financial Paul, I want to do this. In fact, there is actually a number of people from the diaspora, from US, that I'm consulting for. They want to have a digital taxi in Nigeria. And I said, okay, financial consultation is this and that and that. And I will kick off. And we started with the models and several things as regards the business. So everybody has something that they can do that can make them money based on experience. There was a man that started over 20 companies and he failed at all of them. And guess what? He started selling a book on business. Imagine someone that failed at 20 companies that he kicked off, and he wrote a book, and he made money from that book. That book was how I failed from 20 how I failed in business, in 20 businesses, and how you can avoid these things that I've learned. He started over 20 businesses and failed, and he learned a lot of things, and he packaged that in a book and started making money. That's another level of consultation. So look within you, what is it that you are an expert on? What is it that you are good at? If you understand a lot about travels and you have some certifications in traveling, you can start talking about that and start consulting for people. So this is number one way you can start business online without doing what? Without a capital. That is number two thing that I'll be talking about. Is simply almost the same thing with consultation, which is tutoring. You need to start looking at, okay, can I tutor people? And this is in line with seminars. You know, when I began to consult for people online, after a while I took it to tutoring, and then I organized seminars and trained people. I said, okay, I'm going to teach you how to do this, how to do this, how to do this, how to do that, because I did e-commerce, I did importation, exportation, digital marketing. So I started training people. I said, okay, I'm going to organize an event. I picked the location, and I picked the place, the stations that I want to use, and then I put it online. I put it on Facebook. I said, okay, because I already started consulting, I already started dishing out information, people already know me, and then when they saw a physical training, they were ready to attend. So if you are good in what have you, you can start tutoring, you can start teaching people via trainings, and then you will be ready to do, or you will be ready to make money. Another thing that can help you to do or to make money without capital, without money, is doing social media influencing. You know, influencing has become a lot of has provided a lot of business opportunity for so many people who are in the space of what's it called? They are in the space of comedy, in the space of skit making, movie production, in the space of digital space, selling space, sales expert space. Once you are able to generate sizable number of followers, you can convert this to influencing. You know, once you have a lot of followers, it shows that you are an influencer. I mean, active followers. It shows that you're an influencer, and then people are following you. Companies can reach out to you for brand engagement. You can start selling your products to people. You know, you can start selling your expertise to people. You can sell courses to people. These are ways you can do what you can actually start a business with no money and do what and make money over a period of time. The next thing that I'll be talking about that will help you make money is through freelancing. Some days ago, I reached out to someone. I said, "Hey guy, can you help me in creating? Are you good at content creation?" It was like, okay, I've been doing content creation. I've been creating content in the area of health, beauty, news. I can actually create this content for you. I'm like, awesome. And then, okay, how much can I pay you? And then it was like, okay, this and this and this and that. See, if you are good in a particular digital skills, you can make money from the comfort of your own through freelancing. And this is fully remote. There are some freelancing work that have, in fact, freelancing work is 100% fully remote, except if you achieving those jobs you have to go at. Maybe it has to do with outdoor stuff, then you can move out. But freelancing job is most of the time is fully remote. So freelancing simply means performing tasks from the comfort of your home. It could be content creation, it could be digital marketing, it could be videography, it could be designing website. So many freelancing sites. So at the end of this video, I want you to go on Google and type top 10 freelancing sites and then see the service that you can offer on this site, and then do what, and then you start offering those services. Another business that you can do is actually drop shipping. You don't actually need to have large capital for you to start drop shipping or e-commerce business. You don't actually need large capital to start drop shipping. For me, when I kicked off, I started marketing for people, and I just started with, I think I started with like 30k. I started marketing for people, choosing products that they have that I can use 30k to buy, like times 5. So then when I started marketing DVDs, started marketing then DVD. So many years ago, DVD was selling for like 3,500, 5k. So with 30k, I could get 5. So before people ordered the 05, I would have collected money for some. So take for instance, I ordered 6 DVDs that I started at 5,000 naira each. Before I shipped the 6th one, I would have gotten money from the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd shipment. So I repeat the system. So when you do drop shipping / e-commerce, all you just need to do is to go to a store that they have quality product that people need, and then start marketing for them. If you follow my previous video, I talked about how you can make up to 20 million naira with less. How I made 20 million naira with that capital. 20 million naira sales. In fact, 20 million naira is even too small. I'm underestimating it. With little capital, understanding the power of leveraging. If you don't have money, you can build leverage on relationships that you have, and this all boils down to your money, the little capital you have, to create that leverage. Leverage is all about relationship, and it all starts from what can I offer before I get something in return. So you can actually start e-commerce business, and with the little capital you have, marketing other people's product. Over time, you develop the relationship with the supplier, and they can do what they can as well, give you products on credit, and then you make money. This was what I did several years ago in my e-commerce journey. I actually had a little capital, started marketing for these people, grew their sales, grew their business, made a lot of sales, and they developed trust, and they could say, okay, financial power, I can give you credit worth 500 grand. Okay, you want to buy product of 1M and you have 500,000, I can give you 500,000 worth of credit. So I took those 1 million naira worth of products, shipped it online. The product came back in cash, maybe 1.3. I gave them their money. I have my 800. I repeat the system. So these are businesses that you can actually do with no money down. but you have to start from one to then grow and then move to another. Another business that you can do with no money, which is the last that I will be talking about, is actually pretty much starting a YouTube channel, creating a content. All you need to do is to have your phone. I actually started with my phone at the comfort of one classroom at a classroom, and then all I just bought was a wallpaper. It was 5,000 that I bought it in Arena in Oshodi, and then I just gummed the wallpaper on the wall and started filming with my phone. The screen was spoiled, but I pressed record, and over time I developed. I moved to getting a camcorder, moved to getting a Canon, moved to getting a Sony, moved to getting a Space. So, and guess what? I don't need to have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to make money. I made money with as little as 500 subscribers. All this information is right there on my YouTube channel. So hit the subscribe button if you want to join the money movement family. If you want to join the money family, hit the subscribe button. Click on notification bell. Some of you guys get notified on a daily basis on information that I post. I am Financial Paul, a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, and I use this YouTube channel to disseminate information on money, finance, and investment in businesses. Do well to join this family. Also, like this video. Don't forget to like this video. This is just a way of saying thank you to Financial Paul. It takes a lot to create videos, so like this video, and I will see you in a particular video that I created. It's one of my latest videos that will help you understand money, business, and investment. So click this video and let me see you at the other side. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Peace out.